Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm taking a quick look at the Eufy Video Doorbell S4 and whether it's actually worth your money. Right out of the box, setup is pretty straightforward. The Eufy app guides you through everything, and I had it running in just a few minutes. Video quality is sharp in both day and night mode, and the color night vision is a nice touch. What I really liked is the AI motion detection. It does a solid job filtering out random movement like cars or trees, so you're not constantly getting notifications. On the downside, the response time to live view can feel a bit slow at times, and if your Wi-Fi isn't strong, performance dips. Battery life is decent, but not amazing if you've got high traffic at your door. So, is it worth it? If you want reliable security with good video quality, yes. But if you want instant responsiveness, you might want to compare options. Overall, a solid pick for most homes today.